LP got bitten by a tick, and it was hanging on for dear life. And I took the tweezers and went in real close to the head. You don't want to squeeze it, the body of it. You want to get in as close to the head of the tick. And that's what I did, and pulled it out. And so now I'm going to use the apple cider vinegar on it, cotton ball, and a Band-Aid. What you don't want to do, guys, is take a match, light it, and try to get the tick off that way. LP tried that because I didn't know until I looked up that you don't want to do that. So it's really itching and bothering LP. So I'm going to try the apple cider vinegar. I cleaned it off with apple cider vinegar. And then I'm going to try the black salve on this, which I haven't tried before. I don't think we've tried before, have we, LP?
No.
Okay, so that's what I'm going to do. I put Vaseline around the area and then put 1 dollop of the black salve. It's supposed to be black salve. It's also called Indian salve. Supposedly, if you take high doses of vitamin C, it's supposed to be good to fight a spider bite, like a recluse spider bite or a tick bite. And in the center, it's got a puffed up area. It's kind of looks similar to a recluse spider bite. So we're going to try apple cider vinegar. We tried porter salve. It didn't seem to do anything. And I tried the black salve or the Indian salve, and it didn't do anything that we could see. So we're going to try the apple cider vinegar, a cotton ball soaked in apple cider vinegar. I consider this a good sign, guys. I've been using the apple cider vinegar, see LP's holding the cotton ball soaked in apple cider vinegar, and we're going to put it on again. And look what's taking place. He's running a fever from this, about 100.1, and you can see it is festering. There is just like a pimple there, and I want to get it good and saturated with the apple cider vinegar. There is one pimple, and then above that there's 2 more little ones starting, and then one over to the right. Now this has all happened from this tick bite. LP's temperature is 101.6 now, and he really doesn't feel well at all. So I'm going to pan out here a little bit and see if you can see. And this is how it's looking this morning. The other pimples dissolved. So I'm going to leave this be. I'm not going to pick at it or anything and get a chance of having more infection. LP's temperature's gone down to 99.6. I mixed up some Epsom salts in very hot water, dissolved it, and put the hot rag on this sore, or this bite rather. And then I put another hot rag on top of that, hot wet rag on top of that. And he laid for, I don't know, maybe 20 minutes. And that pimple, it kind of opened up and it shrunk up some. And then I'm going to put the apple cider vinegar again on this. And his temperature has gone down to like 98.4. So I'm going to put soak a cotton ball with apple cider vinegar and use a Band-Aid on this area right here that opened up from using the what is it called?
Epsom salts.
Epsom salts. It's just still red, and LP, his temperature went up to 102 point what?
I'm not really sure.
Yeah, he feels really bad. So it was at least 102. So I don't think you can actually even see, but right around there was where the bite was. And it had like that little, like an abscess or like a pimple, festering pimple. And he's been sleeping. He's been taking 2-3 naps, long naps, And he's just like exhausted and really feels bad. He just left it like this. We didn't put anything on it. So then last night, the fever broke and he was sweating like the dickens. And his temperature yesterday went up to like 103. So this morning it is down to like 99.4. So, you know, that's good. He had pain on the top of his head last night. So anyhow, it's been rough going, and you can see how it goes all the way over. I don't know whether you can see or not, but it's all the way over to here and all the way over to here. A very large circle.